The first thing I'm going to do is remove all this braid here. I'm going to put new line on it, and I'm going to put smaller size line. I think I'm going to go down to 15-pound braid. We got all the line out. Hey, before we go any further, I just want to show you a little trick for working on your reels in the shop or in the house. I had this broken fishing rod. It broke while I was fighting a shark, and of course I use ultra light fast rods, so they pop pretty easy, but I cut the rod off here and I kept the blank, so I could just put this on, and I'm not dealing with a 6-foot rod when I'm working in a shop or in a house, so it comes in handy. So if you find an old rod or something, or you break one or something like that, cut the 6-foot part of the rod off here and keep this as a blank, and you can put your reel in here and work on it in the house, clean it and spool it and stuff like we're doing now. So I think I'm going to replace it with this Yozori 15-pound braid. Try it out, see how it works.